Hello everyone, welcome to our next session on ABAP learning series. Today we are going to discuss an example in our program. Okay, so in the example, first we will create a class airplane, and then we will create two subclasses for that superclass airplane. Okay, and then we will implement few methods in the class airplane, and then we redefine this method in our subclass. Okay, so here I have created this class airplane definition public section, and in public section we have one method as display attribute, and we have one method which is called as constructor. This is a special type of method which name can only be a constructor. Okay, so that method, and we have protected section, we have declared one constant, and then we have private section, and I am going to declare further details in the private section. Okay, to save time I am just recording after the typing of the program. Okay, so that it will take less time. So I will edit this times accordingly, where I will only show you the completed code. Okay, and in the private section I have declared this plain types. This is an internal table type. Okay, and this is name, plain type, weight, tank cap, and I have a class method called get technical attributes. Okay, this is a private method. Now let's implement this class. Here we have created one method constructor and one display attribute. In protected section we have this column position as constant with value 30. Then in private section we have class method as get technical attributes. Okay, now we are going to implement the airplane class. Okay, so what class constructor does, it select all the plane types from this SA plane table into this internal table gt underscore plane types. Okay, and this is the method constructor where it pass the name and plane type and get the technical attributes like weight, tank capacity of this plane. Okay, then we have one more method which display the attributes, and one more method which display the number of airplanes. Okay, and then there is method to get the technical attributes of a plane, right? So now we will create, so we have created one class. Okay, now we will create two subclasses, one for the cargo plane and one for the passenger plane. Okay, so as needed we have created one more class LCL cargo plane definition inheriting from LCL airplane. This is our super class. Okay, and this is our subclass, and here also we have one method as constructor, and this is MA cargo. This is a private attribute because this cargo plane is one subclass, so this attribute specific to this subclass should not be accessible anywhere outside this class. Okay, because this is specialization and this is specific property of this class. Similarly, we have created one passenger plane. Here this MV underscore seat also a private section because this should not be accessible anywhere outside the class, because seats are specific to this passenger airplane, right? And similarly it has a method constructor and display attributes, and this display attributes are redefined. because the display attributes will display specific information for that particular subclass only. Okay, now this implementation. Okay, now as we have created the information, as we have created the normal classes, similarly we will declare some global data types, okay, for these classes. So first we will create few objects of the superclass LCL airplane and object of subclass cargo plane, object of subclass passenger plane. Okay, do that. So here first thing is we will call the static method of the airplane so that we will know before our code or execution how many objects are there for the class airplane. Okay, so how you can call a static method? Using arrow and class name, right? So when we are writing the statement create object go underscore passenger, we are calling the constructor method of that class. Okay, so that is why we are passing the same parameters as of a constructor method. Okay, similarly create object for our cargo plane as well. So here you see, first we are calling the static method of the superclass to see how many planes are there. Then we are creating an object of go passenger. Then we are creating an object of go cargo. And we are calling the display attributes, the method which is declared in the superclass. Then again it is redefined in both the subclasses, because they will these methods are specific to, or these methods will display specific information with respect to the subclass. Okay, then we are counting this one, how many airplanes, and we are writing the output. Okay, now save this one, check. Display attributes. Okay, 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 here I need to give comma. Okay, method class constructor, 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 LCL airplane implementation, LCL airplane, right? Go to this LCL airplane. This this is our LCL airplane. definition methods. Oh, yes. Class methods. Constructor. Then display underscore n underscore o underscore airplane. Then get underscore n underscore o underscore airplane. Returning value underscore rb underscore count type I. Okay. This is under class LCL airplane. Okay. Here technical attributes, display NO airplanes. Yes. Oh, remove one PA. Okay, now execute this one. So first the number of airplanes is 0, then it is displaying the weight and maximum seats. But for the second subclass, it is giving the maximum cargo capacity. Here it is the number of seats and here it is the cargo's capacity. So that is the reason in both the subclasses we have redefined this display attributes method. And at the end of the day, at the end of the program, we are displaying how many objects have been created for airplanes. Okay. So that's all for this session. In the next session, we will see few more examples of inheritance and we will go through how the program executes. Okay, how the both the methods are being called. So in debug mode, we will discuss all these things in details. Okay, till then, take care. Bye.